everyone, it's me, Ronda, also known as the Sparkly One. This is part 2 of my video with my friend Maggie. And she just showed all of her stuff that she's been working on. Now it's my turn to show my stuff. And I just wanted to talk about this book real quick. So it's called Crochet Every Way Stitch Dictionary by Dora Orenstein, I guess is how you say it. And anyway, I just got this recently and I've been practicing some of these stitches.
Wow.
And if you don't know how to read patterns, this is really difficult. I don't know how she wrote it kind of hard to read, but she did show the stitch diagrams. Have you ever read the stitch diagrams?
You know what? When I see someone, when I went to go to a pattern that I want to make or something, and all of a sudden I see they have a diagram,
You're
I
like,
forget
no,
it. No,
I know. You want to pass it up because you think it's too difficult.
Just write me the deals. You
and
know.
I'd rather have them write, see, I don't have my glasses on, of course, but it says like chain 5, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, chain 2, all in one long line. I prefer it like this, like just chain 5, double crochet in next 2 chains.
You know what I do?
I rewrite them.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'll highlight it and then I'll put it into my Google Docs.
Oh, yeah,
and then I just set. It's because you lose your place the minute you do that. You go, wait, what?
Exactly.
So they need to have.
Yeah, I keep rewriting them. Like I have a little book. It's what?
A bubble.
A bobble
stitch?
Bobble on stems.
Oh, that says bubble.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I've kind of done those where you do a button and then you pull it through and it's... Yeah, it's like a little button. Yeah, a bobble. That's
but look, I rewrite this. I always have to rewrite it. So I wish that they would come up with a different
picture with your...
I do.
And then
I zoom in on my camera.
No, and then put it into your docs on your phone or your computer. Instead of writing it out, just do it and then put it there, put it on your docs, cut and paste it into your docs, then you can go in and edit it by getting this part, do enter, and it moves it to the next line.
Oh, you can move them?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that'd be easy.
Yeah.
So you'll have to show me that after because my phone's up there. That'd be great. Look, Miss Techie. Oh, my gosh. Who knew?
It's weird.
I didn't know you could do all that.
Cute.
So I was looking for patterns to do, ponchos with. Because I made this poncho, and I did this from a pattern that I got like at Joann's.
Wow.
But that's just simple, easy, granny square kind of.
Where do you start at the bottom?
No, you start at the top. Yeah, you start in a round, and then you work, 2 in the corners and blah, blah, blah.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, it's super easy. And the only reason I made this is so I can wear it outside when I'm in the yard watering when it gets cold outside.
Yes.
Which is rarely around.
I know. I bet it keeps you warm.
Yeah, it's just nice. And usually I keep it downstairs so I can just throw it on. But I wanted to make a poncho in a different, look at how pretty that is.
Oh, yeah.
So this is a different pattern right here. I wanted something a little more lacy-like, not so solid. So I thought this was really fun. But I was just working on that today. And then in the same book, there's another, I turned right to it. It's called Spider and Blocks. Do you see that?
Ooh,
Isn't
wow.
that pretty?
That is very pretty.
And of course, another hard to read pattern, but I still love the book and I'm darn well going to figure it out. But I started working on this, and it was just more of a sample piece. I wasn't really making anything. And, of course, it's not blocked. So can you see the design in there? If you want to spread it out. Here, you hold the bottom, I'll hold the top. See?
Oh, there it is right there.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
So I thought that was so pretty.
I see that.
Yeah, and I've never blocked anything, so... You tell me how to do that.
Who?
You, because you block stuff.
No, I don't block anything.
You just block that little bookmark.
The bookmark?
You spray it? Yeah.
Yes, let me tell you. I spray starch, I iron it, and then I got at Joann's, that little spray thing that's a stiffener.
Okay. And that's what you use?
It kind of makes.
Because that's kind of what you do with blocking. So you can put it on your ironing board or a big thing, and then you kind of pin things down.
Yeah, you have to pin. Yeah,
and then you use a pressing cloth, I think, and then you steam it. Which is why I've never done any of that because it's a hassle.
It's not like a big hassle.
Yeah, and I just throw everything in the washer anyway.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I throw all that stuff in the washer.
You do?
Yeah,
and it comes out okay.
Yeah, totally. Wow. And then I'll show you this because I just made this.
What? Oh, yay! Oh, that is so cute.
So I made this for 4th of July, and this.
Oh, it's a blanket, not a poncho.
No, it's a blanket.
Oh wow,
yeah. It's a star.
Ronda, that is beautiful.
I have this on a video on my YouTube channel, and in the video I just went to probably right to here or something, and then you just continue the same pattern over and over, and you can make it in any color. It's so fun. I really actually enjoyed making this. But this has been washed to see how soft it is. It's like, it's really great.
This is, you start off right, here's your center, right? And then just going, wow.
And it's
you know
so
what?
easy.
You kind of, I hate changing colors.
I know, but if you yarn over as you go, it's not as bad.
bad.
But you do have to weave the hands out.
But this is really pretty.
Isn't that pretty? I know, so I'm going to be giving this to somebody for their birthday coming up.
December 28th! I'll be 33! Wait, hold on, my kid!
33 comments!
This is really nice.
Yeah, so...
And you've done it, do you have the pattern on your YouTube channel?
Yes, it's on my YouTube.
What's this called?
I called it the 6-pointed star, I think.
It looks like the Star of David. No, it's not.
How many points in a Star of David?
Oh, this is like the Star of David. You go like here.
Does it have 6?
Here. Yeah.
Oh, Star of David!
Beautiful.
So
that is beautiful.
So,
so dainty.
And I'm like, what do you do with that thing? I have no idea, but I'm giving it away as a gift. And then I have one more, and I did this video too. And this is just for like a little girl, and I have the video.
Granddaughter.
Yeah, that I'll never have. My grandson's 21, so he could care less. But can you believe he's 21?
He's 21. Michael.
Michael's 29.
And holds Vince.
31.
And Sean, I think, is 30. He's going to be 36 or something.
Wow, they're so old.
He was born in 83.
Oh,
so he just
maybe he was born in 80.
He just turned.
He'll be 36 or 30. He's in March, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
He was born in 83, so he turned 36.
36. He'll be 32nd coming up.
This is very,
so
very,
isn't it cute?
Oh, look at
baby. And I crocheted these to be like little hearts. They're just the puff stitch.
Oh,
yeah. So very delicate and just sweet for a little girl. And you could throw that in the washer too.
See, I would be I don't think I've weaved my ends very well. So I would never. Don't put these in the washer. Oh my
Well, I could just reweave them. But I love that. But anyway, so that's what I've been working on, plus a million other things like you probably. And one thing I wanted to say, because I know we're not any different than any other crocheter, I have a tendency of starting a crochet project, and then I get maybe like 10 rows into it, and I'm like, I don't like it. I start tearing it out. Do you do that?
Oh yeah, I'll make something. I go, no, this looks weird, man. Yeah. Or is this too funky?
Right.
Oh yeah, there's nothing wrong with doing that.
Yeah.
Just start over.
I do it constantly. Like Jim and I drove 3 hours to Carlsbad yesterday and 3 hours back, and the whole time I crocheted. And I didn't end up with any project whatsoever. By the time I got home, this was it, actually.
Yeah, you're like...
I unwound it, and I just was like, I don't like the way the pattern's turning out. I can't read the stupid thing. It's hard. So I just kept trying to make things
And you know what? I think you have to give... Some people don't want to give themselves permission. They go, well, I started it, so I got to finish it. No, you don't like it.
Tear it out.
Tear it out. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that.
It'll come to you someday where you just read
Or sometimes it's just not the pattern for you.
That's true.
You're not getting the look that you thought, you see it in a magazine or you see it on Pinterest.
Yeah.
And then you do and you go, oh, this looks too weird. Or like for my friend that has the alpacas.
Oh yeah.
I guess they're like llamas. I was going to make a little llama applique. Oh my gosh, I just seen how many. I'm like, what? What? And I said, screw it. I don't usually know applique of a llama. I'm going to send her a heart. Forget it, man.
Too hard.
I wanted to. I know. And you know what? For me at my age, I don't need to stress.
Yeah. Just make it simple.
Make it comfortable for me, make it convenient and cheap.
And cheap.
I don't want to be spending a lot of money. When you're a pensioner like me, you know what?
You're always pinching pennies.
Yeah, man. We just have a steady income thing, as retired people. So, crochet or whatever you do, it has to be number one, fun.
Yeah, fun. Yeah, number one.
It has to be fun. The minute anything it starts to stress you out, then you know what?
Give it up.
Yeah.
Go on to something else.
On to something else.
Yeah.
And you know what? No one's making judgments on you like, oh, you did something really simple. Yeah, well, you know what? You find you do it.
Yeah, exactly. You want to learn? Go ahead.
You go ahead and do this hard thing. I ain't doing it.
Yeah. So there you go.
There you go.
Words of wisdom.
That's
Miss
right.
Maggie.
I also don't get on the floor and do sit-ups either. I don't get on the floor for nobody.
I think I'll cut that part out.
Yeah, they go, get on the floor and do sit-ups. They get a thick pad. Let me tell you, that train left the station a long time ago. I thought they go to the bottom of the floor of the boxing place, and they're like, I'm like, you know, can you look at us? We're like seniors.
And at least you can still move. I mean,
yeah, and we're supposed to lay on the floor and
yeah. Oh, I would be like,
you know what? No, I don't. Yeah. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, I broke my tailbone. I can't do that stuff.
Yeah, no.
It doesn't matter.
You broke your tailbone?
Oh, when I was 5. So anyway, thanks for joining me and Maggie in this part 2 series, but we will have you back again, maybe like next year before Christmas or something, because everybody is going to love her. I just know it. Thanks for joining me, Maggie. Bye everybody. Oh yeah, and God bless you and America.